American artist James Turrell has unveiled plans for an expansive installation connected by a series of tunnels and staircases in Saudi Arabia's AlUla desert. Defined by a series of interconnected chambers nestled into the landscape, the artwork will form the first of 5 initial projects to be completed by global artists for the region's upcoming Wadi Al Fan cultural venue. The designs were unveiled at the Wadi Al Fan Presents James Turrell exhibition, which opened in Saudi Arabia's desert region last week as part of the AlUla Arts Festival 2025. Curated by Michael Govan, the ongoing exhibition forms part of the center's pre-opening program, which spotlights the artists behind the commissions. Other artists set to create work for the destination include Manal Aldawayan, Agnes Deans, Michael Heiser and Ahmed Mater. Interior render of installation by James Turrell. The artwork will comprise a series of chambers. Renders of the interiors by Turrell reveal bright, dome-like structures illuminated by oculus openings and wrapped with built-in seating space for visitors. The project is the latest in a series of sky space installations created by the artist. A circular motif runs through the design, with rounded walkways, seating and openings used throughout. The work envisioned for Wadi Al Fan will have 2 large sky spaces and 2 small sky spaces that each address different aspects of sky, Turrell said. "All of my sky spaces engage the natural light of the area," he added. The light quality in AlUla is of dry desert air with little moisture, which yields a light in the sky that is crisp and clear. Skylit interior of installation by James Turrell. Oculus openings will draw light into the spaces. The artwork will be an interactive experience for visitors. Visitors can view plans for Turrell's upcoming Wadi Al Fan commission, where he is creating a monumental sequence of chambers within the canyon floor which will generate a sensorial experience of space, color, and perception, Wadi Al Fan said. Experiencing the thingness of light as well as elements of sky and terrain, the viewer will explore these spaces via a series of tunnels and stairs. The large-scale commission will examine the very nature of seeing and offer a profound opportunity to experience art in dialogue with nature. The design was unveiled at the Wadi Al Fan Presents James Turrell exhibition. Also included in the exhibition are light installations and highlights from the Royal Commission for AlUla's Contemporary Art Collection, which includes the Jubilee circular glass artwork created by Turrell in 2021. Work from Turrell's hologram series will also be shown, including a luminous geometric shape floating in space. The exhibition is taking place across 2 venues in Al Jadida Arts District, the historic Old Town of AlUla and the AlUla Arts Festival, which will run till April 19th. Other recent developments in AlUla include a trio of lookout points held in tents informed by those of the nomadic Bedouin people and the opening of the design space AlUla Gallery, which is held in a Corten steel latticed building. The images are courtesy of James Turrell Studio and Royal Commission for AlUla. Wadi Al Fan Presents James Turrell runs from January 16, 2025 to April 19, 2025 at the AlUla Arts Festival. See DZine Events Guide for more architecture and design events around the world.